It's a celebration of respect for our whole community and nation. Good morning everyone. My name is Barelia Padasaram from grade 7 Raman. Today we wish to take you into a world where cleanliness meets confidence, where brooms and mops walk around, not to clean the floor, but to clean the mindset. Yes, as a part of TSSS Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, we are here with a unique bold and cleanliness fashion show. Because why not make the broom the new cool and the swachhata the latest trend? Imagine a world where carrying a dustbin is more admirable than a designer bag and a clean street is more appreciated than a red carpet. That's the world we're trying to build, one landmark at a time. My happiest friends of grade 7 are now going to walk the ramp with the symbols of cleanliness which are brooms, mops, dustpans. Each walk is a pledge and each smile is a promise. So sit back and chill as we present the Swachhata Sky Parade fashion show.
देश से अपनी ये वादा कर लिया हमने स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपनी ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
Wasn't that amazing? Let's give a big round of applause for our staff who walk the props with purpose. Friends, Swachh Bharat is not just a campaign. It's a mindset, a mission, and today a moment that looks fabulous. Good morning, everyone. Today we bring to you a simple story with the title "One Step Towards Cleanliness." A story that reflects an important aspect we all see yet ignore. Let's take you to a family picnic, to a park with parents, their two children, and a cleaner. Watch closely.
What a beautiful day! This place is perfect for outing.
Finally, a break from our busy life. Let's sit and look at big trees. I have been waiting for this all week. Come on, let's unpack. Yes, I'm starving. Let's get this party started. Who cares? It's just one wrapper.
Don't worry, everyone does it, not a big deal.
Just relax. We are here to enjoy, not to clean. They all burst into laughter, enjoying their meal and each other's company, unaware of the world around them. Not far away, Raghu, the park cleaner, moved silently, broom in hand, carefully sweeping leaves and bits of paper into neat little piles. His eyes flicker towards the family now and then, but he says nothing. Okay, it's time to pack up. You don't want to get late.
Great day, wasn't it?
Best picnic ever! The family begins to walk away, laughing, chatting, completely unaware of the litter of crumpled wrappers, juice box bags they left behind. Raghu, the cleaner, watches in silence.
Every day I clean up after people. They enjoy, they come, they eat. But no one thinks about how this wastage affects us. Do you think we are made up of stone? We live in this mess, breathe this dirt, and still smile. We are humans too. Please have a heart.
Uncle, I'm really sorry. We didn't think. We just wanted to have fun. Wait, I'll help too. He's right. We never thought it this way.
From now onwards, we won't make this mistake again.
That's what it takes. One step towards the cleanliness.
With every step, let's do what's right.
We will keep our world so clean and bright.
Throw the trash where it should be. Together, we will build a cleaner city. We always wait for others to change, but the truth is, it starts from us. Respect those who clean for us, and let's take one step towards cleanliness.
स्वच्छ भारत है अपना स्वच्छता की ओर कदम बढ़ाना, कूड़ा कचरा घर का अपना, गीला सूखा टाट के रखना, गली मोहल्ला साफ रखना, शर्म न करे काम है अपना, अगर किसी ने कचरा फेंका तो उसे न कर अनदेखा। भारत है अपना सपना, स्वच्छता की ओर कदम बढ़ाना, भारत है अपना सपना, स्वच्छता